This one's gonna be pretty quick. I just have a few things to say. So if you are into affordable wig units, please subscribe to my channel. I have a few more coming out within the next month. I'll have some other content dropping, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this Sensationnel Curls Kinks and Coils line. Yes, Curls Kinks and Coils. Is it Curls Kinks and Coils? Kinks. Hold on, let me make sure I say the right name. This is in the style Born Stunna. Yeah, she's definitely giving Stunna vibes, y'all. I will typically post a picture of a wig before I post the video. So yeah, go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you're not, because I already posted the picture. Wig Types does have this particular unit. And when I was looking, I was indecisive between this one and Rainmaker, but Rainmaker was doing kind of a lot for me. I feel like this one would suit me a little bit more, which it pretty much does. So this is in the color 1B. It's a really pretty wig, actually. It's giving real tease. I love the layers in the hair. I love the actual texture of the wig. Like, it definitely looks like type 4 hair blown out with some nice soft waves. So I do feel like Sensationnel did a great job with mimicking the luster and the actual texture of natural hair. I think it looks really, really good. Well, not my hair. It doesn't look as crunchy as some others that I've seen. This one doesn't look as crunchy, besides the part that I burnt, which we'll get to that, y'all. We're gonna get to that. The feel of the hair is not the softest. I've had other softer textured wigs before, so this one isn't the softest, but it's soft enough. Let me tell y'all about my experience with this wig, because I've worn it a couple times. I've done a few things here and there, and I just, first things first, this wig is not, it's not at all. It can't take no heat, honey, no heat. Or maybe a little bit, like on low, but it really can't take heat. I tried to take a curling wand to flatten out the top, because when I first got it, it was just really big. And I wanted to wear the wig to work, so I just didn't want it so big. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I don't have an issue with big hair, but it was just too big at the time. And then I tried to kind of, you know, layer it more so it's not in my face. Put some layers, and I want to just kind of curl it. So I put a curling wand into it, y'all. The hair melted. It literally melted. Now, mind you, I was using like that Duval curling wand or whatever, so I don't know what temperature it's on. But still, I can tell y'all that this wig is not heat resistant, so it kind of lost some points there for me. This is not a heat safe wig, so just make sure you're ready, because it's not heat safe. It's just not. So with the lace, this lace does not melt easily at all. It doesn't really take to, I use Got To Be. It doesn't really take to the Got To Be gel. Even if you tie it down, it doesn't really melt. I have to do that little triangle, cut the little triangle in the front thing, because it doesn't really melt. So it's like, on top of the fact that it's not heat safe and it doesn't melt, you know, one thing that I wanted to do this year is be more intentional with embracing my natural hair texture, as well as like finding hair that looked like it could actually be mine, you know what I mean? So I feel like this is one that looks like it could actually be mine, you know what I mean? So that's that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. So, you know, the wig cap construction is pretty standard. You get the middle part, you get 2 combs in the front, combs in the back, adjustable straps. The more you brush it, the more you're gonna lose that texture in the wig. So I would just use your fingers with some mousse and let that be that. Is this my favorite wig ever? No. Would I recommend it? Yeah, I would, because I feel like if you need it for work, it's perfect for that. But for like outdoor activities and stuff, no, I wouldn't do that. But other than that, I think it's a decent wig. I will leave links to it down below in the description box, where you guys can check it out. And that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next one. If y'all can get this video to 100 likes, I will go ahead and post a vlog about where I've been at, because I know I've been missing. But if y'all could get this video to 100 likes, I'll go ahead and post a vlog, okay? All right, so yes, that's pretty much all I have to say. I will see y'all in my next one.